Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to thank you guys for stopping by and checking these videos out from us. Also, you can follow me on social media if you like the content on Facebook and on Instagram. Also, giving me a quick like and subscribe. It helps these videos reach a broader audience and it can help a lot more people. It's free, it's easy to do, but it really helps me out and I really appreciate that. Anyways, I hope you enjoy the video and we'll see you on the next one. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to do a quick video today on storage of a kayak. So a lot of people, if you got a roof rack or in my case here, a bed rack, you'll notice, especially in the hot part of summer, if you strap things down, you'll see that little bit of a bow, that little curvature there. So that's from obviously the weight of it coming down, and you'll get a little bit of that bend there. So if you're in a roto-molded kayak, so I've got here, this is a Jackson Tripper 12-footer. So I'm gonna take this off and show you what this looks like, and I'm gonna show you how to get it out. So I'll go ahead and take this off and then come right back to you. Okay, so I've got it here on the ground, and and you may not be able to see it really well from this angle for the color, but so see that there? You got a pretty serious bow in the keel there. And then same thing on the back here. Right in there. I'll tip that up. Yeah, right there, see that? So all I'm doing here is I'm gonna leave it outside where, this is June 4th. So again, a little bit of a warm, sunny day. Leaving it in direct sunlight, these roto-molded kayaks have a bit of a memory to it. So when it should only take about a couple of hours. But direct sunlight, these should pop back out. If you've got something in prolonged sunlight or prolonged pressure, so if you leave something strapped down in the off season for several months, may take a little bit more effort. I've seen some pretty extreme bowing on the bottom. Sometimes you have to take a heat gun and have something inside putting pressure upward, but it'll mold back. So that is the benefit of a roto-molded kayak. Again, that bit of a memory, but we'll come back here in a couple of hours. I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. And again, I'm not doing anything other than upside down in direct sunlight. Okay, so we're back here a couple of hours afterwards, and as you can see, or I hope you can see, completely fixed. So again, like I said before, if you've got it, if you're storing something, I've seen it where someone will store a kayak on a trailer. It stays tied down with straps, so it's a lot of pressure for a long period of time. I've had to put some foam blockings in some kayaks and then run a heat gun over it just to kind of pop it back out. But you've got a bit of a memory to these. So if you ever find yourself with that bowing, if you got a roof rack system or anything where it's been stored for a long period of time, direct sunlight's the trick. If not, you may have to apply a little bit more heat to it. But just want to do a short video on that just to kind of show and give you guys a tip that can really help you out. And then if you have any questions or anything or any experience with this, just comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. But thanks again for watching, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe. If you enjoy the content, there's several other kayak videos on the channel. But without further ado, I will see you on the next one.